Are you sad because you're not outside, Grace? What? What is it? What is it, little girl? What? You saw the hawk. You know it's out here. I'm not getting you for a snack today. What is it? Who's the prettiest girl in the house? Is it Grace? I know it is. I know. I tell everybody all the time. What? 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 You cannot come outside when there's a hawk. I know. I'm trying to make him go away. I'll work on it.